What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get and use a promo code for Philippines on TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your TapTap Send app, you will just need to find Philippines in this country list right here. So here it is. So just tap on Philippines. And now, depending on your country, this currency will be different. So in my case, I'm in the EU, so I have euros. But to use a promo code, you can just go in the description below and use the promo code from the description below. So to add that promo code, you will just need to tap add promo code right here. And now just paste the promo code from the description below. So just like this. Now this promo code will give you anywhere from $5 to $15, euros or pounds, depending on your currency, once you're sending it to Philippine peso. So to use the promo code, you will just need to copy paste it from the description right here and then tap enter. Now, because this is my promo code, I can't redeem it, but it will work for you. So once you redeem the promo code, here you will see how much funds you get on your next transfer to Philippines. So essentially, that's guys how you can use a TapTap Send promo code for Philippines on your next transfer. Now again, just remember to check the description down below. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.